Title: Home Elevator Retrofit Guide. Planning, installation and cost considerations. Can you add an elevator to an existing home? In many cases, yes, a home elevator retrofit can improve accessibility, support aging in place, make daily movement easier, and increase the long-term usability of a multi-story house. But installing an elevator in an existing home is very different from planning one during new construction. In a retrofit project, the house already has fixed walls, floors, stairs, utilities, structure, and circulation routes. That means the first step should not be choosing an elevator model. The first step should be evaluating the building. A successful home elevator retrofit should be designed around the existing house first. Many homeowners start by asking about cabin size, elevator type, or price. Those questions matter, but they should come after the building conditions are understood. In an existing home, the available space, structural conditions, ceiling height, overhead clearance, pit feasibility or locations, electrical requirements, and maintenance access all influence which elevator solution is practical. Most homes can accommodate some type of home elevator or home lift system, but not every home can use the same solution. A model that works well in a new villa may not fit an older house with limited shaft space or low headroom. That is why retrofit planning should begin with a site survey and engineering assessment. The elevator location has a major impact on cost and construction complexity. One common option is stacked closets. If closets are vertically aligned between floors, they may provide a practical location for a compact elevator shaft with fewer structural changes. Another option is the stairwell area. Some homes have oversized stairwells that can fit a compact home lift while reducing disruption to existing rooms. A garage, two-house elevator is also common. This can be useful for moving groceries, luggage, mobility, equipment, or daily items between the garage and living areas. When interior space is too limited, an outdoor elevator retrofit may be more practical. Outdoor elevators can be installed with steel structure shafts or aluminum alloy shafts attached to the exterior of the building. This approach can preserve interior layouts and reduce indoor renovation, but it also requires weather protection, drainage, and exterior design planning. Indoor and outdoor elevator retrofits both have advantages. An indoor elevator retrofit offers better weather protection and direct integration with interior living spaces. It may also look more natural in some homes, but it can require more interior construction, reduce usable floor area, and cause more disruption during installation. An outdoor elevator retrofit can preserve the existing interior layout and solve space limitations. However, it must deal with weather exposure, corrosion protection, outdoor shaft design, and facade integration. The best choice depends on building layout, accessibility goals, available space, and long-term maintenance planning. Different home elevator systems create different requirements. Hydraulic residential elevators are often used in retrofit projects because they can work with lower overhead requirements and provide smooth operation. But they may require additional hydraulic components and more maintenance over time. Traction residential elevators offer good ride quality and energy efficiency, but they usually require more overhead clearance and stricter shaft conditions. Shaftless home lift systems can help when space is very limited. They may have a smaller footprint and faster installation, but travel height and capacity are usually more limited. Machine room. Less elevators save space by placing equipment within the shaft, but maintenance access must be reviewed carefully. The right system depends on the house, not only the product preference. In many retrofit projects, the elevator shaft is the most important design decision. Some homes may have an existing masonry shaft or vertical space that can be adapted. Others may need a steel structure elevator shaft, especially for outdoor installations or custom retrofit projects. Aluminum alloy shafts are often used in residential projects, where lightweight construction, corrosion resistance, and appearance are important. Some homes may use a stairwell shaft or a custom shaft design to optimize limited space. A good shaft solution should balance safety, accessibility, available space, installation complexity, and maintenance access. Door layout is often more difficult in retrofit projects than in new construction. Existing homes already have fixed rooms, hallways, stairs, and structural walls. Common door configurations include single entrance, through car, adjacent fade degree openings, and opposite openings. The right door layout affects circulation, wheelchair access, landing design, and construction work. Cabin size and capacity also require trade-offs. A larger cabin may need a larger shaft, stronger structure, increased equipment loads, and higher installation cost. The goal is not always the largest cabin possible. The goal is the most practical mobility solution for the building. Home elevator retrofit cost depends on much more than the elevator unit. Major cost factors include elevator type, number of floors served, shaft construction, structural modifications, utility relocation, customization, installation access, and construction complexity. For example, adding more stops increases equipment and installation requirements. A custom shaft or structural reinforcement can also increase the budget. Restricted access, narrow hallways, limited storage space, or difficult lifting conditions may affect labor cost and schedule. That is why identifying cost drivers early is important. A retrofit is also a good time to improve safety. Common upgrades may include overspeed protection, door protection systems, emergency communication, automatic rescue devices, improved leveling accuracy, and control system modernization. Maintenance planning should also begin early. Technicians need access to key equipment, and long-term spare parts availability should be considered. During equipment selection, a retrofit elevator should not only solve today's mobility problem. It should remain serviceable, maintainable, and adaptable for future modernization. A successful home elevator retrofit should begin with the house, not the elevator model. Available space, structure, shaft options, overhead clearance, pit feasibility, door locations, installation access, cost drivers, maintenance access, and future mobility needs all determine which residential elevator solution is practical. Retrofitting an elevator into an existing home can be a smart long-term investment, but it works best when the project is planned around real building conditions from the beginning. For more details, read the full article here. https://fikecknelift, comfy existing home elevator retrofit guide.